Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how to fix camera not working or camera failed error on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.